Hello and welcome, and today we're going to be installing a virtual machine on TrueNAS Scale. Currently, the current version of TrueNAS Scale is 23.10.0.1. If you're using any other version of TrueNAS Scale in the future, perhaps maybe everything should be fairly the same when creating a virtual machine through TrueNAS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our TrueNAS installation. Once you hit that page, you're going to go ahead and sign into your account that you have. I've already set up everything. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over here into your virtualization tab. See, I already have an Ubuntu server running, but we're going to create a new one. So we're going to click on add. As far as your operating system, we can click on Linux. So this will be for a Linux operating system. Now here you can name your server, how I have Ubuntu server over there on the left. So we're going to write our new server. So this is going to be YouTube. Then we can go ahead and do, all of this is fine. If you want to change all of these settings, there's these little bubbles here. You can see what they're for. I'm going to leave everything pretty much the same. Password. So we're going to set ourselves a password. So we're going to say password. Up next, your CPU and memory. So you can put how many virtual CPUs that you want. Again, I'm not going to dive too deep into this, but what we can do is we can set some of our cores. I have 8 cores in this processor and 16 threads. So we'll designate how many threads per core that you want. Again, it really doesn't matter. So you can say 2 threads, 4 cores, right? It'll be a total of 8 threads and 4 cores. This might be different. Kind of look at what you have available and just kind of designate where that's supposed to go. As far as your GPU mode, I don't have a GPU in this machine, so we are not going to bother with that. Memory size, how much RAM do you want to give to this machine? I'm going to give this machine 32 gigabytes of RAM. Feel free to designate however much you want here. Generally, I recommend at least 4, but sometimes you can get away with less. It depends on really what you're looking to run with this. I'm looking to just use this for a general purpose machine, so I'm going to just throw about 32 gigs. That's enough for most things, really. If you need more, you can always change this later. Minimum memory size, you can leave that alone for now. Disk, you can also leave this alone. So this is going to create a Z volume on your data pool. So we're going to click the drop down here and select our data pool and how big we want this disk size to be. So I'm going to set my disk size for 256 gigabytes. You can hit next here. We're going to go through here. You must attach a NIC. So here we're going to use Eno1, which is the port in the back of the machine. We're going to click on next. Installation media. If you have installation media on one of your data shares or data sets, then you may go ahead and do that now. So the current version of Ubuntu is 22.04 LTS. So we're going to download the server. Once that is uploaded, you should be able to go ahead and click on next. Now, we don't have a GPU installed, but this is where you can also configure some of those settings if you have them. And then here, you have options to confirm. So once you're happy with all your settings, this is your opportunity to go back and change those. And if you're done, then you can click on save. So now you have virtual machine deployed. So once you go through your installation and you're done, right? We're not going to go over this today. But as far as once you're done setting up your virtual machine, it will not, unlike your other hypervisors, this is not going to unmount your CD-ROM. And so you're going to go back through the installation process again. And if this is you, then I have a fix for you. So what you can do is you can go to devices, go into CD-ROM right here and click on delete. And what this is going to do is this is going to delete the CD-ROM because it's going to fail to unmount it. You'll be able to restart your machine and run your virtual machine with whatever you have installed. So if this video was helpful, please drop a like. And if you guys would like to see more TrueNAS Scale content, then make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know what you would like to learn.